Where are you? Oh, I just remembered where he was. Hello, kitty. Hello, kitten. Cat.
3 minutes, come on up.
Hello, kitty. Aww. Aww. He's interested in the camera screen. Ow! Ow! Oh, that hurt. Oh, are you okay, kitty? He's probably interested. Oh. I don't need an SOS right now. I'm fine. Although I would like to send people signals. Just kidding. I have an incoming kitty. Of an incoming cat attack. He's very tiny for his size. Look at how big my cat Loki is. Oh my God, Felix! What the heck? They love each other. Look how big she is. Look at how big this cat is. Oh, there's Carly. Hey, Carly! Oh, Loki, you're so big. You know why you're big? It's because you're an adult. Really, I consider cats adults when they reach like 9 years old. I don't know, I'm crazy. See, look at how small he is and how big. Size comparison. See them? He's small, which this could lead to him being, he might be the runt of the litter. Here's a story. We found him on we found him on Clifton's animal website, and then we're like, we have to adopt that kitten. And then we just decided to. And then when I was doing my homework one day, not down here, he is, well, he wasn't here yet, but we got a call saying that I don't know who it was, but I remember my dad saying something that we could adopt him. Now, we could then visit him. We visited him for like a half an hour. Very relaxing, very nice. And then Friday, I was alone. Saturday, I was alone. Sunday, I was alone. No, Friday, I was kind of alone to myself, although I do have cats. Saturday, I was like, yes, one more day to wait. And then Sunday, St. Patrick's Day, and we adopted him. It was nice to actually adopt him on St. Patrick's Day. I remember spending time with him in my office. I loved him. We got him because my cat Shadow, rest in peace. Yes, as I said, rest in peace. He died. He's a little jerk to them sometimes. Will you stop being a jerk? Same with you, Carly. You are kind of dense. You're kind of a jerk to him. That's probably payback. That's how cats do it. Kind of like me and my friend we argue sometimes, whatever. But, yeah. I love these cats. They're just so good. Still energized. Wow. The thing is still ready to go. Still needs charging though. Where are you, Felix? Oh, there you are. Hello, kitty. Hello, Carly. Hello, baby. I did a video of her. I'll post that in the link down below. I've never done a video of him. Right there. Hello, kitty. And well, no, that's not true. I did a video with Loki in it. She was not in like a video called My Cat Loki like Carly's in. It's My Cat Carly. This one was in a video of this cat named Gaia. She is in the critter room with her kittens. The critter room is this place where they take in foster kittens and stuff. Sometimes foster mamas. She actually belongs to a family, but they're just caring for her until her baby gets spayed, neutered, along with she's gonna get spayed, and then she's gonna return to her house, and so will the kittens return to their forever homes. Loki, you're cute. Yeah, Carly and Felix were rescued at Clifton. Otherwise, she, on the other hand, was rescued at this place called, this cat show. I love her. She's such a good girl. And thanks for watching. Loki, I love you. And I love you, Felix. And I love you, Kylie.